In this module, you have to learn the conversion of solids. Now, all the three solids you are familiar, all the formulas you are thorough, that is cylinder, cone and sphere. Okay. Now, conversion of solids. See, one solid is converted to other. Main problem which comes in this from this section is melting and recasting. See, one solid is melted and recasted into another solid. What the volumes remains the same. So, keeping that concept in your mind, you have to attempt these types of problems. So, melted and recasting. See, sometimes a sphere will be melted and recasted and it will be made into another cone, or small cones. Many number of cones will be made. So, what is the idea concept using there? The volume of the sphere will be same as the n number of cones recasted into volume of one cone. Maybe cylinder will be recasted into sphere. It means what? The volume of cylinder same as the volume of the sphere after recasting. So this concept you have to keep in mind and do this type of problems in this section. So we'll do the first one, exercise 20D, first one. What is asked? A solid sphere of radius 15 is melted and recasted into solid right circular cones of radius 2.5 and height 8 cm. Calculate the number of cones recasted. So here just one sphere is melted, but how many cones they are making? We don't know the number of cones, but small cones are formed. So let the number of cones formed after melting be n. Let n be the number of cones formed. So what is the concept using? The volume of the sphere is equal to n into volume of one cone, one such cone recast. So that is the idea used here. So we do the problem. So the sphere, volume of the sphere is equal to n into volume of the cone, where n is n that you have to find out. N is the number of cones formed. Right? N is the number of cones formed or number of cones recasted. Now what is given? Sphere of radius 15 centimeter. Let R be the radius of the sphere, capital R. R be the radius of the sphere, and it is given to be 15 centimeters. And what else is given? The circular cones of radius 2.5 and height. So small r be the radius of cone and h be the height of the cone. Radius of the cone and height is given. It is 2.5 and 8 both centimeters. So, radius of the sphere is 15 centimeter, radius of the cone is 2.5 centimeter, and height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Now, what is the concept used? Volume of the sphere is what? We have learned. 4 by 3 pi capital R cube will be equal to, after melting and recasting, volume of the sphere is equal to the number of cones formed into volume of one cone. What is volume of one cone? 1 by 3 pi small r square h. See, pi by 3 I can cancel. 4 into, what is r? 15. 15 cube is equal to n into, what is small r here? 2.5 square. Right? Into h is what? Into h. See, 4 into 15 into 15 into 15. I am writing 15 cube as 15 into, for the easy calculation I am writing as this 15 into 15 into 16 is equal to n into. See, 2.5 I am writing as 5 by 2. Right? So I can write 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 8. See, 5 into 5 will go here 3 times. Again this 5 will go here 3 times. So 2 and 2 will go, 2 to 4, 4 will go here twice. So what is n? N is equal to 4 into 3 into 3 into 15 divided by 2. So 2 will go here twice. So you get 15 into 2, it is 30. 3 3s are 9. 13 into 9 3s are 270. So the number of cones formed is 270 cones. See children, I did for easy calculation 2.5. I wrote, change the decimal and I wrote it as 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5. And then you can cancel on both sides 5 and 5. It goes thrice. Or you can write n is equal to 4 into 15 into 15 into 15 divided by 5 into 5 into 8. Then again multiplied by 2 into 4. Any method you can do the calculation, it should be easy. So you get n is equal to 270 cones. Second, a hollow sphere of internal and external diameters 4 cm and 8 cm respectively is melted into a cone of base diameter 8. See children, all diameters is given. We have nothing to do with diameter, we want all the radius. So you have to take the half of each measurement. Find the height of the cone. What is given? A hollow sphere is melted into a cone. Hollow sphere is melted means the volume remains the same. What is the volume of the hollow sphere? You know it is 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube. Capital R is the external radius and internal radius, but radius is not given diameter. So let capital R be the external radius. Now what is R? Here it is given external diameter is 8. So radius is 4. Now internal diameter is given 4. So radius is 2 centimeters. And cone of base, cone, the radius of the cone, radius say I can write radius of the cone is equal to say R1. Radius of the cone is equal to, diameter is given 8. So radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Now find the height of the cone. H1 I write. Height of the cone. You have to find H1. What is given? The sphere is, hollow sphere is melted. So what is 4 by 3 pi into R cube minus R cube is equal to, what is the volume of the cone? Formed 1 by 3 pi R square. I am writing R1 square H1 square. H1. So pi by 3 I can cancel both sides. So 4 into, what is R cube? 4 cube minus small r cube is 2 cube is equal to R1 square 4 square 16 into H1. So what is H1? 4 into, what is 4 cube? 64 minus 2 cube 8 divided by 16. 4 will go here 4 times. What is 64 minus 8? 56. 56 by 4. It is 14 centimeter. Therefore, the height is equal to 14 centimeters. Fourth question. Total volume of 3 identical cones is the same as that of a bigger cone whose height is 9 and diameter 40. Find the radius of the base of each smaller cone if height of each is 108 centimeter. What is given? There are 3 identical cones. Okay, 3 small cones. Its total volume means what? They are identical cones. So volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. So 3 means 3 into 1 by 3 pi r square. Okay, let it be there. Total volume of 3 identical cones is the same as that of bigger cone. A bigger cone is given whose height is given, diameter. So you have to find out, be careful, you have to write the radius. Now find the radius of the base of each smaller cone if height of each is given. 108. So what is given we shall write. The total volume of 3 identical cones. Total volume of 3 identical cones is equal to the volume of bigger cone. Volume of a bigger cone, right? Now what is the total volume of 3 identical? 3 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let r and h be the radius and height of the smaller cone. It is equal to volume of big cone is what? 1 by 3 pi. Let it be capital R square into capital H. This is r and h for bigger cones, radius and h. Okay, now what is r is given? Bigger cone whose height is h. So given h is equal to 9 centimeter and radius is equal to, diameter is 40, so radius is 20. Now what about the smaller cones radius and height? The radius of the base of each, that you have to find out. Small r, and height is equal to 108 centimeter. Now you can substitute. See, pi by 3 again cancel here. So 3 into, what is r? Small r, I don't know, that you have to find it. H is what? 108 is equal to, what is capital R? 20. 20 square means 400 into H is what? 9. So R square is equal to 400 into 9 divided by 3 into 108. 3 will go here 3 times. Now 3 will go here how many times? 3 3s are 6. Okay, so I can take R is equal to root of 400 by 36. What is root of 400? It is 20. What is root of 36? It is 6. So it is 10 by 3. Or 10 by 3 I can write as 3, 1 by 3 centimeters. So that is the radius. It is 3, 1 by 3 centimeters. So you have to write the data what is given properly. Height is equal to height H, capital H is the height of the bigger cone, capital R is the radius of the bigger cone, but radius is not given, diameter is given, so you have to find out radius 20 centimeter, and the height of the small cone is given 108, radius you have to find out. Equating the volumes, that is volume of the 3 identical cones. Total volume means 3 times volume of one cone. It is same as the volume of the bigger cone. After equating, you can find what is R. The final answer you get 3, 1 by 3 centimeters. Now the fifth question. A solid rectangular block of metal 49 cm by 44 cm by 18 cm is melted and formed into a solid sphere. Calculate the radius of the sphere. What is given? A rectangular block is melted and recasted into a sphere. It means volume of the rectangular block and the volume of the sphere, they are the one and the same. So you can write. What is the volume of the rectangular block? You have already learned. Length into breadth into height. So length into breadth into height of the rectangular block is equal to volume of the sphere, a solid sphere. See, when you are writing, children, you write let L and B and H be the dimensions of the rectangular block. Given that L is equal, all the detail you have to write, okay? So what is given? 49 into 44 into 18. 49 by 44 by 18 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. Right? So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what is r cube? R cube is equal to 49 into 44 into 18 into 3 divided by 4 into pi. Pi I can write what? 22 by 7. By 7 will go here. 22 will go here 2 times. Now I can cancel 4 also. 2 will go here twice. So the answer is r cube is equal to 49 means 7 into 7, then into 2 will go here 9 times. 9 I can write 3 into 3 into then one more 3 into 7. So r cube is 7 into 7 into 7, 3 into 3 into 3. So what is r cube root of this? So I can write 7 into 3. This 21 centimeter. So r is equal to cube root of that value, or r is equal to 21 centimeters. Question number 8. A solid cone of radius 5 and height 8, both in centimeter, is melted and made into small spheres of radius 0.5. Find the number of spheres formed. Hope you can do it alone. The volume of cones will be equal to what? N into the number of spheres be n. N into volume of sphere. So we will do that. The cone, I will write the unit. What is cone? Cone of radius. Let r be the radius of the cone. It is equal to 5 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter. Now sphere. I will write capital R. Capital R is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Can I write as a 5 by 10 or equal to 1 by 2? 1 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So R is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter. Now what is given? The cone is melted and made into small spheres. So let n be the number of spheres formed. N be the number of spheres formed. Therefore, volume of cone is equal to n into volume of one sphere. That is, what is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to n into volume of sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So pi by 3 can cancel. What is r square? 25 into h. 8 is equal to n into, we have 4. What is r cube? R is 1 by 2. So r cube means 1 by 8. So 4 will go here twice. So n is equal to 25 into 8 into 2. So 25 into 8 I am writing 4 into 2 into 2. So 25 into 4 it is 100 into 4 it is 400. So how many, what is spheres? Find the number of spheres. So number of spheres is 400 or 400 spheres are formed.